Hello, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Kia Optima, please help me subscribe to my channel. Click that bell notification so every time I have a new video, you guys will be updated. Right now, working on a 2017 Kia Optima Hybrid. So the problem is with the door cylinder here. The customer, someone trying to steal her car, and they put a screwdriver in here. They trying to break it. Right now the door is not jammed. This one's slightly jammed a bit because it's broken. You can see sometimes it gets stuck, and I can still open it from the see, I can still open it, and then from the inside I can open it too. Sometimes it's jammed on the outside, sometimes it doesn't jam. See, right now you see how it's kind of jammed. So I'm gonna show you. The lady told me they're trying to break into this, if I can order this, and then the cap. I ordered both parts, and then she brought me the car. I didn't know this part was broken too, so I have to order another part for this one, but I'll probably do this on another video. But I already got the part here. This is OEM right here, the door cylinder lock right here. That's the key, the new set of keys. This is the part number for the cylinder right here, and then this is the cap. This is the cap for the outside. I'm not sure which part is the part number. All part number is right here, right there, for the cap on the outside. And let me show you. This is the original key from the car. Since they messed it up, I can't really put in the key, so I don't want to damage the key. To take the cylinder out, there's a 10mm in here, so you're gonna loosen that up. Kind of jams, kind of bent. Yeah, someone trying to steal this car. They broke the lock, and then probably have to replace the handle on another video. Bolts kind of jams pretty bad. So let me see. There you go. Loosen it all the way. All you gotta do is kind of pull this out at the same time and shove this in. My pry tool, I'm gonna try to do it. There you go. There you go. You can see the cylinder popped out. There you go, just like that. You can see the inside. You can see how that thingy is kind of slanted to the left a little bit. You see how it's slanted? I'm gonna put my, you can put in a flathead or a plier. I'm gonna try to straighten that out, put it straight. There you go. Turned it a little bit. You can see it's straight now. You can see. And then now, I'm gonna put in my new one. You can see my new one. It sits straight. It lines up with this right here. So I'm gonna, there you go. Make sure you line it up with the gap. Push the handle forward. You see how that gap go in right there? There you go. I'm gonna tighten down my 10mm on the side. Right there. Tighten it down. There you go. That should be enough. Now I'm gonna show you where that bolt go right here. That bolt go into this hole right here. So this is my old one. There you go. That's good. It's working. It's not jam anymore. Just the inside handle. There you go. Works every time. I'm gonna try with the key. There you go. See how I locked the car? Unlocked. So I turn it, so it locked. Should be locked. There you go. And then unlocked. See the mirror folding out? Unlocked. There you go. So for this one, I have to buy the handle too. So I'm gonna put in my cap right here, my key cylinder cap here. Both original, they do not come painted. So if you want them to match your car color, you have to paint them first. But both of them's original. So I'm gonna try to put this one in. Open the handle. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. So, there you go. Open it like that. There you go. Yep, clicks in. That's good. So I'm gonna change out this part too. If the lady wants to replace it, I'm gonna change it out. But everything's working now. Inside handle. Just double checking everything again. So there you go. Locked. Unlocked. You want to get the cap off. There's a slot under here. Shove the key in. Press on the black tab. Press on the black tab right here. There you go. Pops out. And then people have questions. Does the original key works with the new cylinder door lock? So I'm gonna try it. I don't think it's gonna work because it's different slot. So right now it's locked. Nope, you can see it doesn't work with the original key. So that's why they give you the new key. So it does not work at all with the new set of keys. There you go. Locked. Okay, I'm gonna put the cap back. That's it. Don't forget to put the cap cover right here, guys. Locked. Unlocked. And the button right here too on the door handle. So I'm gonna lock it, press it, lock. Press it again, unlocked. And it's working. You can see the old key cylinder is super bent. You can see it's bent to the side right there. It's damaged. So she's gonna have to use the new set of keys for the door. And then this one only works for the ignition. That's it.